Hello. A resourceful application for educators planning lessons or units is PBS Learning Media. This is a free resource available to educators and students from the Public Broadcasting Service. The first thing you will need to do is go to https://www.pbslearningmedia.org. Once you are on the correct web page, you will be prompted to confirm your local PBS station. Next, you will need to create a free account for yourself as the teacher. When you are finished creating your account, you will be ready to explore the web page. I've already created my account, so I'm just going to sign in. And I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Following the creation of your account, your free account, to begin browsing the information within the web page, you will need to click on the PBS symbol in words PBS Learning Media located in the upper left-hand corner of the page, which is up here. This is the home page button. You can see that the top white banner has the home page button, your local PBS station, a search window, and your name. Clicking the drop-down menu next to your name will provide you with the ability to jump to your dashboard or the pages for the lesson builder, assignments, classes, favorites, folders, and your profile, as well as the sign out button. The blue banner has categories and drop-down menus for subjects and grades, as well as a button for the student site. Scrolling down the home page, you will see the visual previews of some of the subjects, also be able to click a button for a subject or grade instead of using the drop-down menus. Additionally, as you scroll down the home page, you will see other visual categories such as news and events and award-winning series and collections, both of which can be used for lesson planning. For this tutorial, let's go to the subject drop-down menu and choose Elementary Social Studies. Here I will filter the subject by grade, which I will choose 3rd through 5th, and resource type. There's a multiple resource types, and I'm going to choose lesson plan. This narrows my choices down further to what I am looking for, which in this case is a civics lesson for elementary students. Once you choose the lesson you would like to teach, you will be directed to a new web page. Here you will see an overview of the lesson to be given, suggested procedures for teaching the lesson, and the Washington State and National Standards to the lesson covers. This is what an overview page looks like. The procedures and the standards. You are also offered links to supplemental materials such as a PDF of the Constitution of the United States, which can be viewed or downloaded, and also has standards that it aligns with. There's also in the support materials for teachers, there is a civic engagement scavenger hunt. There's also vocabulary words. Though this particular lesson does not allow for sending the lesson activities to the students, that option is available for other subjects or lessons, especially for interactive lessons. Thank you.